Step aboard Baby Doll, your ultimate luxury pontoon for any occasion on Okanagan Lake. From intimate wine cruises with lakeside tastings to hidden luxury beach tours and breathtaking sunset cruises, Baby Doll is designed to make every journey unforgettable. Whether you're planning a romantic date, a fun day out with friends, or even a corporate retreat, our customizable private charters ensure you have the perfect setting. Inside, find a cozy cabin enclosure and a top sun deck perfect for soaking up the views. With up to 10 people, enjoy the spacious motorized decks that expands for your comfort and space. A 48-inch fireplace with wraparound seating. From elopements to executive gatherings, every cruise is tailored to your vibe. And at the end of the day, this isn't just any boat. This is Baby Doll, the one that sets the bar for unforgettable lake adventures. Welcome to a whole new level of luxury on the water. Book your adventure today and make memories that you will never forget.